What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BROS for Dutch Bros Inc. This one's for the bros, of course, who drink coffee. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame chart, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday chart. And the first thing to point out is this is clearly a new IPO. So let's go ahead and start off by mapping out the IPO opening print down here towards 3250-ish. And then, of course, the opening drive higher. The low of the IPO is essentially the open, so it's not really worth mapping that out quite yet. What we want to do is look at this through the lens of Fibonacci. Obviously, there's not a whole lot of price activity here. You could make the argument that, we'll do this as an experiment, right? Let's actually put the fibs away, grab the price level tool, and we'll do this. And we'll just see how that compares to the 38.2, right? If it works out, phenomenal. If not, we're going to go with structure. So from low all the way on up to the high, and it doesn't work out, right? You can clearly see the 38.2 is slightly above that area of structure, which we just drew out. So I would argue, because this is a new IPO, the structure is going to matter way more than these arbitrary lines, or they're not really arbitrary, but the lines given from the Fibonacci analysis. So I wouldn't really look too far into this one and really focus on that 36.63. I can see that in the post market, it's trading 37.14 by 37.65. So slightly above that, right? Kind of in this area right around here. So as long as we hold that, that's fine. That's great, actually. That's bullish consolidation. We would be looking for a breakout up and over the all-time high, essentially close to $40.10. Now, here's where it gets tricky. If we take that out to the downside, there's only one area where I could potentially see you stabbing long, which would clearly be the low and IPO opening print down here at 3250. If we start printing hammers, if we start printing indecision dojis, anything that basically makes you question, okay, is this pullback coming to an end? Can we flip long over the highs and then get back up into some of the structure which we put in from the move lower? That would be the first and only place I can see as of right now where you potentially start looking long. So as the chart sits, right, there's only two things to do here. It's either a consolidation, good, breakout into blue sky territories, or sit on hands, be patient until we come down into 3250. I would really advise you, if we start trading anywhere in here and we don't get all the way into the low, be patient. Wait for some structure to build out, wait for a clear setup to present itself, and then take action based on that setup. But as of right now, those are the only two things that I'm seeing inside of the bros. So that's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed the analysis, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget, our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.